At Bumper, we know that cars can mean different things to different people. But whatever your car's story is, we also know that unexpected repair bills can spell out a nasty plot twist when it comes to your finances. That's why we've made it simple to spread the cost of car repairs interest-free. How? Well, simply enter your vehicle registration number and fill out your details to quickly apply for a credit limit. Choose from over 4,000 local service centres who offer Bumper and book your vehicle in for a service or repairs. If approved, we'll send you a unique Bumper code to pass on to your service centre. After your service or repair is complete, simply use the code to get set up with your interest-free repayment plan. And you're done! So whether it's a service, MOT, repairs or parts, you and your car will be back on the road to write some new chapters together in no time, without a huge dent in your wallet. Bumper, driving payments and stories forward.